Meaning of freshness.
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 Freshness. Freshness refers to the quality of being newly made or recently harvested, resulting in a state of being clean, pure, and untainted by age or decay. A product or food item that is fresh will have a pleasing aroma, vibrant color, and a crisp texture. The term can be applied to a variety of products, including produce, seafood, meat, flowers, and even air. Freshness is highly valued by consumers, as it is often associated with better flavor, quality, and nutritional value. In short, freshness represents the desirable state of newness and vitality in a product or item.